Can I touch you? No. Oh, okay.
Stop. Don't, I could point at you.
Don't huff and puff at me.
Jay, thank you very much.
This little man tried to attack a German Shepherd, so now we are leaving the dog park, and he ruined the fun for everybody else. Bad curb.
Lippy, stay. Stay!
What? What? What?
Give it. Give it.
Don't touch her, Bentley.
Well, there is something you might
No. No, no.
Get down. Get down. Down.
Lie down. Lie down.
Come here. Come.
He turned his head.
Come.